Yo, what up YouTube EX? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video. You'll probably see my unboxing that I did already. So I'm going to continue off where I left up before, but what I'm basically about to unbox is going to replace these. So this one's for the Android, and look like somebody got something on here. Look like the thing popped out for the controller, which I'm gonna have to try to fix at a later time. Yeah, this thing's all worn out, all that crap. Yeah, somebody was playing with this and just wore it out. Then I got this, my backbone, but let's get this to the side. Sorry backbone, sorry Razor Quiche. Let's get to the nitty gritty. Here we go, right here. It's this package right here. Yes, sir. Right here. So, while everybody else was spending $80, $90, $70, I only paid $49.99. From where? AliExpress. So that's why it took me some time to get it. It came really quick. So basically it took 7 days and I got it quick from AliExpress. So this is the GameSir right here, Galileo G8 right here. And I've been waiting for this package to come in the mail for a minute. So how do we open this thing? There we go. As you can see, it got all squished up and transited. Oh, I don't need the bat knife, just pull. Okay. I see you, bro. I see you. You got another one? Oh, yes, we do. And just pull it right there. Now, there's another version of this, which is they have the red magic version, which is all black. So I want to actually get that. I was going to get that, but I wasn't paying $100 for it, so I only paid $49 for this, and I'm happy. So, and knowing me, I'm going to wind up ripping the box, because I got chunky fingers. So you know what, let's just get all this tape off of here. Let's just get all the tape off. There we go. There we go. Get that off the way. I had to pull it that way. That was the only way I was getting it out. Tight squeeze. There we go. Get this bad boy out. Only reason why I'm hyped for this, because I do own mobile game, so I actually need this. Call of Duty Mobile, Genshin Impact, Warzone Mobile, all that good stuff. So there we go. Oh, this is nice. See, the thing is, I don't play with Xbox controllers, but this will do. Okay. So we got more accessories right here, I believe. It's just the literature. Got the GameSir stickers, the literature. I don't beat the app. I gotta install the app and stuff like that also. So we got a nice little guitar pick sticker right here. Let's put this back in the box. Get it back in the box, get it back in the box, get it back in the box. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna actually use these. I'm gonna actually take these off. I'm gonna put it on my RG Ally to keep my stuff when I got it inside my bag. So, ooh, you know what? This feels good. Oh yeah. You know what? This is a little bit comfortable. Feels like an Xbox controller, but not so much. It feels more like a PlayStation controller, but okay, we're gonna try some Call of Duty Mobile up on here, some Warzone Mobile, see how it is. And basically, you just take it like this, and you move it with the Hall effect switches. I'm gonna replace these. I got a bunch of extra thumbsticks laying around from my company eXtremeRates that I work with. So I got a bunch of them hanging around here. So I'm just gonna pop one of those on there, and I actually have the ones that's magnetic, so I could pop those on it also. So yeah, Where's the high riser one? So yeah, we definitely, I'm gonna pop this one on here and we're gonna go with it. So yeah guys, this is the GameSir Galileo on G8 right there. 49 bucks on AliExpress, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.